This video shows how to install the Easy H2O Liv Pro water dispenser. Prior to installation, please read the product installation manual and all warning labels. Elkay recommends having the plumbing and electrical roughed in by a licensed professional plumber and a licensed professional electrician, per the instructions in the installation manual and local building codes. Here are the tools you'll need for the installation. Start by putting on safety glasses and cut-resistant gloves. Next, shut off the water supply source and disconnect power to the electrical circuit that will be supplying the unit. Both water and electricity should be isolated to prevent accidental release of electricity and water. Place the unit into the wall cavity and slide it up against the drywall at the top of the opening. Roughly align the unit and place one screw in to temporarily hold it. Using a bubble level, level the water dispenser and attach it to the wall studs using 4 number 8 screws. Locate the electrical gang box at the lower right-hand corner of the water dispenser and remove the cover. Connect the previously roughed-in 110 VAC power supply to the water dispenser. Route the wiring through the wall into the bottom of the electrical gang box. Install the front cover of the water dispenser to help locate and align the filter box under the water dispenser. Do not completely tighten the front cover. Place the filter unit into the wall opening and slide it up against the bottom of the water dispenser. Make sure the filter box is in alignment with the water dispenser and attach it to the wall studs using 4 number 8 screws. Do not completely tighten the filter box until the gap between the water dispenser cover and filter box cover has been checked and is aesthetically pleasing. Connect the 1/4 inch tube to the fitting below the filter. Connect the previously roughed-in 3/8 inch water supply tube to the 1/4 turn shutoff valve. Connect the NFC wires from the water dispenser and filter box. Insulation on the supply lines helps to reduce possible condensation. While the water dispenser can be installed with a drain, this is not required unless specified by local building codes. The water dispenser comes with a drip tray to hold the typical overflow that can occur. If the unit will be using the drip tray instead of a drain, skip ahead to 4 minutes and 40 seconds. If you will be installing a drain, proceed to the next step. To begin the drain installation, remove the 2 screws attaching the drain basin to the water dispenser and remove the drain basin. Place the drain basin on a flat, hard surface. Using the centering dimple as a guide, carefully drill a hole in the basin using a 1-inch hole saw. Smooth the edges of the drain hole with sandpaper, inside, outside, front, and back. Place a small amount of plumber's putty around the lip of the strainer flange and insert it into the hole. You may have to remove gloves to place the putty around the flange. Install the O-ring over the strainer threads. Put gloves back on. Thread the strainer into the drain adapter. Tighten the connection to create a watertight seal. Attach the flexible drain hose to the 3/4 inch barb drain adapter. Tighten the clamp. Apply glue to the 1 1/4 inch PVC drain adapter. Connect the drain adapter into the drain pipe. Route the drain hose through the filter box. Reposition the drain basin. Tuck the white drain hose into the back corner to allow room for the filter replacement. Attach the flexible drain hose to the P-trap drain adapter using a hose clamp. Secure the drain basin back in place with the 2 screws. Write the current date on the label of the filter cartridge in the space provided. Attach the filter cartridge to the filter head. Firmly press the filter into the filter head and turn it clockwise to install. Slowly open the shutoff valve for the water supply. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes and check for any water leaks. Before returning power to the unit, make sure the power switch is in the off position. Turn the circuit breaker and water back on. If you haven't already done so, remove the protective plastic covering from the unit. Move the power switch to the on position and make sure the LED lights are lit. Place a bucket under the spout to activate the fill sensor and dispense at least 1 gallon of water. This amount of water will bleed any trapped air from the supply line and filter, as well as flush any fine carbon particles from the filter. The water may appear gray in color due to the air and carbon particles. Remove and replace the bucket from the dispensing area to reactivate the sensor and continue filling until a gallon of water has dispensed. If there are no leaks and the unit is functioning correctly, installation of the unit is complete. Next, complete finishing of the wall. Install the water dispenser's glass cover, and then install the filter box cover using the screws and hex driver. Upon initial startup, the plastic bottle saved indicator panel should show several bottles have been saved due to the water used to initially start the unit. The left blue LED filter status light should also be lit. This light shows the filter is functioning correctly and has used less than 65% of its capacity. Installation of the Easy H2O Liv Pro water dispenser is now complete, and the dispenser is ready for use.